Whee! Oh, I banged my knees. That really hurt. G'day everyone, I'm David and this is my tabletop standard, and right behind me here I've got some Dungeons and Lasers stuff. This is a big part of why I haven't been painting. I actually haven't painted much this last 3 weeks because it's taken me a long time to glue it all together. Let's have a bit of a closer look at it. So all of this stuff comes in sprues. This is all my fantasy and sci-fi things. And I must say, I'm very, very keen to start doing some conversions and making up some Space Marine stuff. I've got some of these. Got some of these little dragon head things. They look pretty cool. Some closed mouth ones and some open mouth ones. If I have a look, see if I can do this one out today. There we go. Got some shields, some little banners and torches and things. All of this stuff is pretty amazing, and I'm really, really looking forward to doing some conversions. There is so much great conversion material here, including like some little rockets. You know what? I guess we'll just see whatever I can make. There's little security cameras, but they don't have to be security cameras. It can really be anything. Anyway, this stuff has taken me ages to build. Oh, plus they got some awesome dragons. I must say, some of the coolest dragons I've ever seen. Still got 3 boxes of sprues, which, if you have a look at them, I must say they are pretty much on par with Games Workshop stuff. Let's chuck it on my lap here to see what we've got. I think the quality that they produce is amazing. The actual plastic they use is really good quality. And so this is like the mine cart, which I've glued one up here. I got 2 sets of these sprues. Little lamps, big dragon throne chair, and got some wine barrels and some suits of armor. Some basic materials. Anyway, throw that in there. Anyway, I just wanted to show you a bit of what I've been gluing together these last, many nights. It's taken me about six evenings to be gluing this stuff up. I think I'm pretty much done with what I want to glue together, and I'm looking forward to finishing my last 2 pop culture Space Marines. And after I finish doing that, I'm going to start doing some Dungeons and Lasers and Space Marine kit bashing and see what sort of conversions I can get with those, because there is so much cool stuff in all of this. So thought I'd also give you a bit of a break from the Marvel United stuff. I can see you're not as keen on those videos by the way they've been viewed, and I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to give them a little bit of a break and come back to them with a new approach. You probably don't want to see 86 time-lapse videos of, you can't really see the painting that well either because it's just too fast. But I figured you probably don't want to see 86 Marvel miniatures painted in a row either. So I'll give you something different, and I'll come revisit that, and I'll probably revisit it in a different way that's probably a little bit more engaging, a little bit more interesting for you. Anyway, till next time, I'll see you later. Bye. G'day everyone, I'm David and this is my tabletop standard. And I actually spent